Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the fastest path, either open VS Code, Dev in Chrome for immediate editing, or prepare to remote into your desktop VS Code. Once done, make sure Chrome is updated and WebAssembly is available because the web version relies on modern browser features. If you prefer the desktop app, install Chrome Remote Desktop and enable remote access. This gives full extension support. Now, open a project folder or clone a repo. You want code visible and ready to edit right away. Once connected, configure the environment in VS Code. Dev, open the folder or Git repo and install extensions tagged as web compatible because native extensions won't run. For remote desktop, connect from Chrome and authenticate. Make sure file system access, terminal, and keyboard mapping behave as expected. If you need a shell, use the web terminal or enable remote SSH in the desktop app. Make incremental edits, run a quick build, and commit changes. This verifies that editor, debugger, and Git integration are finished by saving work and pushing commits. Then validate a local build or CI run so you don't leave broken changes. Once done, close or sign out of remote sessions and remove any temporary access keys. Security matters. If something fails, first reload the VS Code tab or restart Chrome, and inspect the Chrome DevTools console for WebAssembly, permission, or network errors. If problems persist, restart the remote server or desktop VS Code. This resolves most extension and connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.